How to change who can follow you on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily change who can follow you on your Facebook profile. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's just jump right in. Go ahead and open up your Facebook application first and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then all you have to do is find the menu icon at the top right corner and then tap on the gear icon right beside the search icon. Once you get to this page, you can scroll down on settings and find audience and visibility. Under here, you can find how people can find and contact you. And right below there, you have followers and public content as well. Go ahead and tap on that. And then it will take you to this page and you can get the settings who can follow me option. You can click on it and there are other options that you can change. So if you have locked your profile, that means only your friends can follow you. So in order to be able to make this public, you are going to have to unlock your profile first. So I'll just head over to my profile banner and then tap on the three dots. Then I'll go to unlock profile and tap on unlock. Once you unlock your profile, you should be able to change your follower settings. So I'll just go to the same settings over here, tap on your gear icon to go to settings, and then find the same settings down below on followers and public content. Now I can go to who can follow me, and then here you could choose to public. So I'll just go here and then change this to public. Now to let anyone follow you, you can try professional mode. So go ahead and turn on your professional mode and everyone will be able to follow you without any problem. So keep tapping next and you can choose your default audience as public and everyone will be able to follow you without any problem. So I'll just confirm all of these settings, tap on OK, tap on next again, and you're good to go. So let me just go ahead and go back and skip this process. Now I'm able to set this as public. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.